Hey guys, let's strip apart an 8RT real quick. So the first thing that I will do is take the rubber tracks off. I usually show up at a toy show with a bag full of them, sell them for $1, $2 a piece, or just give them away. You know, a kid comes up, starts talking to me, looking at them, I'll usually just let them have the bag, whatever. To get the axles apart, I'm just going to do the easy thing, just like everything else. Bandsaw. So I've got the wheel pullers in the house that'll take some stuff off, some stuff it won't. Honestly, I've just gotten to where I'll, like the wheel tractors, I try to salvage the tires, these guys. I try to salvage the treads, or tracks I should say. Okay, axles out. Next step. And there are 3 rivet holes, one under the cab, one right in front of the exhaust, one right there under the grill. Drill all those out. When you're drilling these, you don't have to take a whole lot of material out. It's mainly getting the head of that rivet at least weakened so you can pop it apart. See if that'll go. Yeah, I'll have to get the shop vac out. So I just get a flathead screwdriver, split the 2 halves of the casing, casting casing. Okay, so there she popped free. Just the cab lifts right out. The old track assembly comes right out. Again, gotta be careful of the grill, because that is one plastic piece that bridges across the front. Just put this stuff away. To get the plastic steps off, Phillips head screw. Ta-da! So now the one half of the casting is ready for the bandsaw. Go to the other side. The exhaust is the only piece we got to remove from here. It's just got a piece of plastic. See if I can do this without having to use a knife. So all it is a plastic piece that is press molded through. So they just heat up the end and flatten it to essentially make a flat spot on it so it can't fall back out. If you can hear that noise in the background, that is the wind. Welcome to Southeast Colorado, where the wind never stops. It has so far been a very long winter here for wind, and I have a feeling it's going to continue. Grab side cutters because the screwdriver is not working, at least not quickly enough. There we go, there's a big chunk. Let go now, maybe. Come on, you're wiggling. Come on. Oh, come on. Normally these pop out super easy. There we go. Man. Okay, so casting is stripped. Now again, I'm using HMM Replicas Hector Mathis kit. I looked up earlier to remember where to cut. About half this metal's coming off. Okay, so I've cut off the front axle and the rear hitch assembly area. The other thing I'm going to take out is the wheel weights here, or not wheel weights, the suitcase weights, because the kit comes with better ones that look correct. The best way to do this is just cut several little slices into that and then take pliers and break them off. Just get a pair of pliers, just grab them, give it a little twist, and they will all break out. Bingo. Done. I'm gonna get this other side stripped, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the video there. So make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I will get these things on to the next step here in the next video, but for now, like I said, like, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.